In today's session, we are going to see aggregate functions. So before starting with the aggregate function, we shall create a database and table. So we shall create a database using create database, and name of the database here it is university. So within the university database, we shall create a table instructor. So with instructor ID as a primary key and name of the instructor as another attribute, and department name as another attribute, and salary as another attribute. Once the table is created, we shall insert the values into the table. With instructor ID, name, and department underscore name, and salary as attributes with the values. Once the values gets inserted, we shall display it using select statement. We shall start with the aggregate functions. So aggregate functions are the function that can take a collection of values as an input and return a single value as output. So for example, we have a min function, max function, sum, average, count, all these are aggregate functions. So if we want to select a minimum salary from instructor table, then we can go with the min function. So we see how this min function works. Select min of salary from instructor, so which returns minimum salary from the instructor table. In the similar way, we can go with the max salary, so which returns maximum salary from instructor table. In the same way, we can select the sum of salary from instructor table. Then we can go with the average salary of the instructor who belongs to CSE department. So if we want to find out number of instructors in a table or a number of rows in a relation, then we can go with the count function. So here the count function returns number of instructors from the instructor table or number of tuples from instructor table. So if we want to select and display number of departments or a name of the unique departments, then we can go with the number of unique departments can be identified with the help of distinct keyword. So distinct department underscore name from instructor. So it returns 4 distinct departments that are unique department from instructor table. So along with the aggregate functions, we can use the group by and having class. So group by, it just groups the attributes and returns it as a group of tuples. So we can go with group by using department name. So here we are going to display the department name and average salary of the particular department. So we are grouping and displaying the average salary from instructor table using group by function. So having class is useful to state a condition that applies to a group rather than a single tuple or a record in a table. So here, once we have selected or formed a group using department name, we can apply the certain condition using having class. So select department name and average salary of the department from instructor table, and we are grouping it by department name, having average salary of the department greater than 50,000. So we have only two values available, one for CSA and another for music. So that's all about the aggregate function. Thank you.